Get ready for a major shift in how the internet works because the web as we know it is being quietly rebuilt not for you or me, but for AI agents. This fundamental change is already underway, with major cloud providers re-architecting their entire infrastructure to handle a future dominated by machine-generated traffic. We're also diving into Anthropic's staggering new valuation, Apple's ambitious Siri overhaul, and a significant legal battle brewing in the AI content space. This is TSL Byte Sized, your daily AI news brief for Friday, May 29th, 2026. Let's get in. First up, prepare for an internet that increasingly thinks for itself. According to TechCrunch, major players like Amazon Web Services and Cloudflare are actively redesigning their core cloud infrastructure to accommodate a future where machine-generated internet traffic far surpasses that of human users. As AI agents transition from experimental stages to widespread production, performing tasks from booking flights to managing complex data flows, the underlying network architecture needs a complete overhaul. This isn't just about more bandwidth, it's about optimizing for different traffic patterns, security needs, and computational demands that AI agents present. The shift signifies a profound evolution in how the internet functions, moving from a human-centric information highway to a machine-driven operational backbone, which will impact everything from data centers to network protocols. This proactive re-engineering highlights the industry's confidence in the rapid proliferation of autonomous AI systems and their impending dominance in online interactions. Next, the AI funding frenzy shows no signs of slowing down, with Anthropic making headlines for a colossal new investment round. TechCrunch reports that the AI research company has successfully closed a $65 billion Series H funding round. This massive influx of capital pushes Anthropic's post-money valuation to an astonishing $965 billion, bringing it tantalizingly close to the trillion-dollar mark. This latest fundraise is widely considered to be Anthropic's final private investment round before a highly anticipated initial public offering, signaling immense investor confidence in the generative AI sector and Anthropic's specific trajectory. The company, known for its Claude family of large language models, is now positioned with substantial resources to accelerate its research, development, and market expansion efforts, intensifying competition with other AI giants. Moving on to consumer tech, Apple appears to be gearing up for a major offensive in the AI assistant wars. TechCrunch has provided a sneak peek at new renders, revealing Apple's extensive plans for an AI overhaul with an iOS 27. Central to this transformation is a completely redesigned Siri experience, which is expected to be far more capable and contextually aware than its current iteration. The renders also suggest the introduction of a standalone Siri application, indicating a significant elevation of the virtual assistant's role within the Apple ecosystem. This strategic move is widely seen as Apple's direct challenge to existing advanced AI chatbots like ChatGPT, aiming to integrate sophisticated generative AI capabilities deeply into its devices and services. The company is clearly positioning itself to reclaim leadership in the personal AI assistant space, offering users a more intuitive and powerful intelligent companion. Now, for a significant legal development in the world of AI content. The Verge reports that CNN has filed a lawsuit against AI startup Perplexity, alleging copyright infringement. According to CNN's own reporting, the lawsuit claims that Perplexity's AI tools are generating verbatim information that is typically locked behind CNN's subscription paywall. Perplexity, which operates an AI answer engine and content summarization service, is facing scrutiny over its methods of sourcing and presenting information. This legal action underscores the growing tension between AI content aggregators and traditional media outlets, raising critical questions about fair use, intellectual property rights, and the future of journalism in an AI-driven landscape. In a quick hit, the Tribeca Festival is set to host a groundbreaking premiere next month.
The Verge announced that an AI-generated film titled Dreams of Violets will make its debut. This 75-minute feature is a fictional dramatization of the Iranian government's mass killing of protesters, with all people and images fully created by artificial intelligence. What's truly remarkable, as reported by The Hollywood Reporter, is that the entire production cost a mere $2,000.
Before I let you go, keep an eye on how these foundational internet changes unfold. The shift to an AI-centric web by AWS and Cloudflare will likely trigger a cascade of new services and security challenges. Also, watch for more details on Apple's iOS 27 reveal, as the company's approach to integrating advanced AI will set a benchmark for future device interactions. That is TASL Byte Sized for Friday, May 29, 2026. Find the show on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and wherever you get your podcasts. We appreciate you tuning in for your daily dose of AI news. See you tomorrow.